guys, and welcome to another video of me, Kitty Shard, doing a video on the kittens. And you may or may not know. I think you know. I know you enough now. I know you. So yeah, I don't know you, by the way. If you're watching this, then yeah, lol. Yeah. So it's a video about me showing the kittens. Yeah. So hope you enjoy. So, yeah, here they are. Mummy's just come in, so they'll be very loud. They're so cute. Oh. I'm just going to pick one up here and just see. Well, I'll have to do Mummy first, aren't I? Go, good girl. Can I pick one up? Don't squish him. One sec, guys. Let me catch the squishing him. Oh. Clever boy. Clever boy. Okay, he's fine. He's free. He escaped evil Mummy. Oh. Wait, come on. I can't pick one up. I know it's feeding time, but I just want to quickly show you. This is right, this is... Hello, say hello to the camera. That's so cute, okay. This is going to be a very short video, by the way. Yeah, so there's 2 ginger, 3 black, and yeah. Just a quick picture. Little quick picture. So, yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, they've moved. So, basically, they were in that little shack there. And then they've moved to this happy kingdom just today. Yeah. They've also got jingle bells, jingle bells. It's not Christmas yet. I don't know why I'm doing that. Although it is close to Christmas, like 4 months yet. So. You're so cute, your little face. I love it. It's like Bambi. I don't know. I don't know why it's a Bambi. Yeah. They are amazing. Amazingly adorable. Very, very, like, happy. Happy in the new home with the new mummy. Well, their mummy, not the new... Technically, it is their new mummy, but, yeah. So, yeah. So, this video is only gonna go on for ages, so... I'll let you look for a little bit, and then I'll end the video here, because it's gonna get boring. Hello. Why are you whacking him? Go on, get in there, son. Please don't show your bum on camera, that's naughty. Gross. Hello. Okay, you've got your bum away, naughty boy. Naughty boy. Hello! I love you all. You're amazing. Yeah. Take another picture. Boof. There's a picture taken. Yeah. Yeah. That's so cute. So guys, this video is gonna go for like 200 years if I keep doing this. So, might as well say goodbye now. So, I'll put them on camera after when I say goodbye, and then I'll end the video. So, guys, have a good day. Have a good night. I don't know what you're doing, but yeah. Have a good day. Stay kitty. Peace. Stay kitty. Stay kitty. Really stay kitty. Stay kitty's ears. Bye guys.